Hey Siri, Northern Lights.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome down to the channel again. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you have not, if you're new here, do subscribe to this channel. And today I'm just going to share with you one of the things that was partly sponsored. It is the Sony XM4. Actually, I've always been seeing a lot of reviews for this one, and not saying that I actually need a headphone, but I would need it urgently now is because I'm currently using my Sennheiser HD25 aluminum series. If you can see over here, it has been the most longest time that I've actually used this one. It has been, I think it's about 6 years. 6 years, guys, I had this HD25. It is one of the most reliable headphones, and at that point of time I really couldn't find another headphones that is so cool, and you know, it can be custom. So this one broke down on me, just one of the side. I actually tried, you know, putting all the electronic gadgets together, but looks like I have to send it to raw, then having it custom and making it use again. So I have been working with SLR and also Sony, and then you know, it has all the other Sony. It's not only your camera and you know, video, photo accessories. You do have headphones, and there are other headphones over there as well. I think there's Audio Technica, I've seen Sennheiser. So after looking at all the reviews, I actually believe that this is the one for me, even though I do not need a wireless one. Headphones will be good for, you know, let's say for example, if I'm at home doing some video editing. Do you hear that, guys? It's raining, and luckily I'm still stuck here at home. So moving on, yeah, there is Google Assistant and Alexa built in. I've never had Google Assistant and also Alexa because, yeah, most of my techs are all Apple, so I use the HomeKit most of the time. Let's try this one, okay, and see how it goes. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so let us see what we get out of the box. Sorry, I don't have a very fancy knife, so pretty excited for this one. Yeah, so yep, as you can see, you know, it's with Google Assistant, Alexa built-in, Bluetooth, 30 hours, high-res audio, wireless, noise cancelling, which may be of good help. Okay, let's do this. How do I open this? Oh, this is the box. I'm just gonna put it aside. This is what we want to see. It comes with this soft casing. Oh my god. Okay, so let's go open it up. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at this. Okay, so what you have here is the 3.5 to 3.5 noise cancelling. I don't know when will be the next time I'm actually going to use this, but all the travels. And you get a USB A to Type-C. Type-C. I think it is the future. I think most gadgets should have Type-C. And yeah, and then the headphone itself, bit different, bit softer, has this premium kind of feel. Yeah, let's just wait on. Oh, let me just take off my cap for a while, put it on. Oh my god, guys, it's so comfortable. I'm not trying to be a very you know, someone who give bad reviews, but oh my god, it's so hard for me to listen to myself. Yeah, so it's super comfortable. It is super comfortable. And let me see my cap. But it's actually hard to hear myself also as well. Let us just power on this thing. And here, let's just open this thing. Okay, So as you can see, there is the volume loud at the top. Below is your play and pause. Left, right, next to scroll through the tabs, and one is here. So there is a custom button below, and also power on. Let us just pair this thing and see, how it goes. Switch it on. Okay. Yeah, connected. I have successfully connected. App not installed. Sony headphones with the app. Oh, like, guys, I can't even. It's so hard to hear myself. Let me just try it again. Oh, the silence. It's so cool. I seriously, it's so hard to hear myself. Yeah, it's so hard. No, okay, my voice is. Oh, the moment I take it out, it pauses. The moment I put back in, it plays. Oh yeah, I did skip it. Oh, next song. It's so comfortable. I'm listening to Dilemma now, as in by Nelly and Kelly Rowland. Oh my god, so nice. So put it in the center. I think if I'm gonna put these headphones. Oh wait, hey guys. I can hear myself now. It seems like it's in a. I can hear myself talk. So the music lowers down. And I believe this is one of the features that you have. If someone wants to talk to you, and then you just have to cover one side, and you can actually hear it's a microphone kind of thing. Like oh my god, I'm hearing like myself in a call. I think this is like a true noise cancelling kind. I really love it. And let me try again. Once I play back the music, guys. Okay, so all in all, it's super comfortable. It's super way more comfortable than this, but with the price point, I use this a lot for my DJing and podcasting, and also very minor music editing. So for DJing, I think most DJs would have this, and they would not have Bluetooth connection because there is always this this saying, that this Bluetooth has little latency. But I don't know. I mean if I'm gonna try it later. But it's damn soft, guys. I really love this as of now. Okay, I will still have to use this even more. This is just out of the box review, so bear with me. And let's go back to the main view. Alright guys, so all in all, I am beginning to like this phone straight out of the box. The texture is cool, it's matte, it's very subtle. Like I mean they have other colors, but I have not actually love other colors besides black. And for this aluminum one, is different because it was the limited edition at that point of time. But now it's, they have other limited edition stuff as well. But really out of the box, you can actually feel the difference. This is the new technology, guys, and I would actually love to try more on this for my podcasting, and also video editing and audio editing as well. So that's about it for those who are really interested in this pair of headphones. You can check them out. I will link the description below. So if there's anything or any reviews that you would want me to actually find out for you, I will go again in depth with this one. So I do have other products also as well, which I will be reviewing. So thank you, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.